Equipped with all the features to make those drives that much greater. Sunroof, Bose Stereo System, Rear Park Assist, Bluetooth, USB port and more. Come see us at Laird Wheaton GM in Nanaimo for all your vehicle needs. This Chevrolet Cruze delivers a turbocharged gas I4 1.4 liter/engine powering this automatic transmission. Cruise control, engine, 1.4 liters turbo DOHC 4-cylinder DI with continuous variable valve timing, CVVT 153 horsepower, 114.08 kilowatts, at 5,600 revolutions per minute, 177 pounds-to-foot of torque, 239 Nm, at 2,000 to 4,000 revolutions per minute. Wipers, front intermittent, variable. This Chevrolet Cruze features the following options: windshield, solar absorbing, windows, power with driver and front passenger express down, wheels, 16, 40.6 centimeters, aluminum, wheel, spare, 16, 40.6 centimeters, steel, warning tones, driver and front passenger safety belts, visors, driver and front passenger vanity mirrors, trunk release, power, remote, tire, T115/70R16, black wall, compact spare, tire pressure monitor, tire pressure display. Stop by today, test drive this must-see, must-drive, must-own beauty today at Laird Wheaton, 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, British Columbia B9T3L3.